Good morning everyone, how are you doing today? I am vlogging again. As you can see, we're doing actually a lot of vlogs, getting that content baby content, as Alicia Marie would say. But hi.
Hello.
Hi. We're actually going back to the square today. Well, actually we're going to breakfast right now because we're hungry, and then we still have the car, and then after that I'm going to get my nails redone, get these taken off, and then just get like a simple color put on there, and then we're gonna go back to the square and go to that, you know, cake in a cup place that I mentioned, and probably have lunch. So it's gonna be a very fun day. I will show you my outfit if anyone cares to know. Here is my outfit for today. I actually just have this denim romper on, and this is from Zara. I got this back in Rome and I really like it. It's really nice. And then I have my sneakers on right here. These are from Drip Creations. They're really great. They're Nike Air Force Ones, and they're like hand painted by this girl on Instagram. It's really great. I'll have a link down below, but we're off to get breakfast, and I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll take you along with me for whatever we do. Look at breakfast. We got the bechamel thing once again because like that's like the best thing ever. And then the cappuccino. Did you get the same thing?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Okay, we are actually done at the nail appointment. Here are my nails. I really like them. The girl did a really good job, and I didn't want to get gel again, so this is just, it's kind of weird because I didn't want to get like the whole gel situation again because I wanted to be able to like start changing my polishes again when I got back home. But I think they still used some type of gel. I don't know if it's the same type or a different type, I don't know, but still had to go underneath the little UV lights. I don't know what happened, but it is fall for me now. Like, it is now officially autumn. I don't know, I'm so ready for it that I'm just like, it's time to do my nails. And I did like a more square shape this time instead of the circle, oval. But no, I really like them. I thought they were gonna be a tiny bit darker, but I still like this too. Anyways, I'm just ready for autumn. I'm ready for fall. Are you ready for fall?
I am ready for fall.
Or do you like summer?
No, fall is good.
Fall is good? I like fall too. And I love the decoration. My mom has already been going to like Bath and Body Works and getting their Halloween and fall line. I'm so excited about it. If you like Bath and Body Works, if you like the soaps and the candles and stuff, every year I think they do like new graphics or new art every year. The art this year is so freaking cute. So I know mom already got me a couple soaps, and I'm hoping that she got me one of those little wall plugs. I don't know, I really like them. Anyways, we are gonna hang out with Raf's friend today, Salvo. He's like Rap's best friend, and he's a really good guy, so we're gonna hang out with him today, go to the center and eat some lunch. There he is, he's actually walking out. But yeah, I'll let you know whenever we do something else interesting.
Is that good?
Yeah, you want some?
I'll try it.
We're fixing to eat lunch now, and I got, is it Aperol Spritz, and it's super good. I see these everywhere around Europe, but I've never seen them in America. But then I saw someone in New York having one the other day, so I don't know. I don't know, but it's very good. And then I'll show you the food when we get it. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Okay, so tell me what this is. It's like it's not a pizza, is it?
Yeah, it's a pizza.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's pizza with bologna.
Yeah, mortadella.
And then it's got a pistachio sauce.
Pistachio sauce and pistachio little crumbles.
And then mozzarella.
Yeah, it's a type of mozzarella called stracciatella.
Oh my god. That looks insane.
It's nice that they give you the wooden cutter.
Alright you guys, we're back home now, as you can see. Did you have a good day today?
I had a very good day, but I'm tired.
Me too, you guys. It is literally scalding outside. And what be the temperature? Let me check here. It is so hot. It is Wow, right now it only says 88. It does not feel like that. It feels like it's like 100.
It's extremely humid.
Oh yeah, that must be it. It is so humid. Like, I wore that outfit that you saw at the beginning of the video and I sweated so badly. Like, I had the most boob sweat underneath. It was a lot.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Anyways, we're back home. We went to a couple of grocery stores because one was closed and the other one I didn't know existed. Actually, Salvo told us about the other one and I got this really fancy drink right here. It looks like vodka or gin, but no, this is just water. It looks crazy. I played a prank on Raph getting back in the car being like, man, it's been a hard day. I needed this, and just... And then he stared at me really weird and he was like, what is that? And I'm just like, oh, you know, wine. I should have said vodka or gin.
Yeah, I would have believed vodka.
Or something like that. But he was like, it's clear. And I was like, shit. But I almost got him. Next time I'll get him. But I think right now we're going to hang out. I'm going to chill and watch some YouTube. And Raph is going to I'm so tired I can't talk. I tried to say continue and finish at the same time.
Come finish.
Come finish. Continue.
Continue.
Yeah. Oh, continue. Wow. No, but Raph is going to finish up his script for his next video, and then I think he's going to start filming as well today. And yeah. Now we're not really going to be doing anything else. I'll keep vlogging for the rest of the day and just kind of showing you like dinner and stuff. But as for like the fun outings and everything, I think we're done with that. But we are going to Erice on Saturday. I'm so excited about that. We did confirm we have a rental car. We have it for 3 days, so we can pretty much go anywhere. We have it for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yeah, so that'll be really great. And then Salvo is going to go to Erice with us, so I'm very excited about that. I've never been to Erice. Apparently it's like a literal medieval city, town.
It's a medieval town.
Yeah, so I can't wait. It's got like castles.
Yeah, it has a castle.
It has a castle. Everything looks very medieval, and I think Raph is going to take his armor as well and like get some pictures and some shots. It'd be very cool.
You feel like you're inside D&D.
Oh, well, I want that. I totally want that. That'd be great. But yeah, as for now, we're just going to chill and hang out. And I hope you're all having a great day. And I'll let you know when something else interesting happens. Okay, here's my dinner. I'm on my phone right now, but here's my dinner. Some grapes and cheese. I couldn't decide what I wanted for dinner, and we've honestly been eating a little too much fast food, so I was like, I genuinely am afraid I'm gonna have a heart attack if I keep eating like KFC 3 times a week. So grapes and cheese, and I'm actually really excited because these grapes are super good. They still have the seeds in them, but they're really good. I like them a lot. Good morning, everyone. As you can tell, it is next day. And yeah, I forgot to end the vlog last night. So I'm here to end the vlog today. And today's Wednesday. We have a lot of work to do today. We're just trying to get everything edited for Raph's video. He has he has a sponsored video going out later on today. So we're just trying to make sure that gets done. So yeah, I hope that you... I can't get situated. I don't know why. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will be oh, really good news. I don't know if I said this already before, but we did decide that we are going to Erice, so I will be vlogging that. So stay tuned for that. That should be probably maybe one of the next vlogs. I'm not entirely sure yet, but we are going. We're going on Saturday, which is the day before I leave, so I'm super jazzed about that. Anyways, again, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button and subscribe if you have not already, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I do post daily over here, and I hope that you again enjoy the vlog, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!